Well, I don't think I have a whole lot of hope for this one. This is Zenith, solid state. Don't know the model yet. Really dirty. Oh, it's pretty dusty in here, but not too bad. Things are locked down at least. So we'll see if this thing works. So this is like a turntable with a built-in amplifier, I guess. We're going to clean it up and see if it works. Well, while polishing, it has revealed to me that there is a crack in this dust cover. There's my crack. This is the polished area. Can you see the difference? That is pretty drastic. Just polishing up this side. Okay, I think she's looking pretty polished, so we just gotta rub this stuff off. Bottom has a really nice shine. I just hate these kind of connectors. They're just so hard to come by. I have a solution. And model D556W. Cover is nice and polished. Way better than it was. Way better than I thought it would. Yes, there's a little crack. Cleaned up the machine the best I could. She's in pretty good shape. Bill Radio and TV Limited, Fort St. John, Dawson Creek, BC. Nothing special as a cartridge on this unit. This is nice white. It's nice that it didn't turn yellow or something. Micro touch. Well, I didn't get to clean that up very good. Here's hoping that this unit's going to work, but if it does, I gotta listen to this. Hell's a poppin'. We've got this amazing lake scene of multiple accidents. Ouch. So that's pretty amazing cover. And it's a Ukrainian party live, we think. So there's a song on here that I really want to listen to. How's this for an amazing track list? What was that? Ukrainian roulette. Let's listen to that one. Okay, she's plugged in. It's set up. This is going to be the first try. Let's give it a shot. Well, is it doing something? Maybe I should have that going. Come on. We have success. Well, it sounds pretty funny. There's a rubber ducky in the background of this song. All music was for review purposes. The Zenith D556W works.